Today we're going to see what's inside this. It's a bracelet, and we're going to see what's inside. Oh my goodness! What in the world is this? Ah! Do you see this? What is this, kids? It's a measuring tape, but it's not real. It's you. Oh. Ah! See? I gotta see what's inside of this. This is so cool. A measuring tape inside that goes on your hand. I didn't know this was in. Right, kids? Cool. And we're going to see what's inside it. What? Another one? Kids, do you see this? It's a measuring tape, but it's not actually real. I'll show you the numbers. See, kids? It's 1, 2, 9. That's crazy, kids. Kids, do you give this video a thumbs up? Check if this is up. Bye. I'll see you soon.